if you have been buying data at a very high cost rate, it's going to stop today. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get data at a very cheaper rate from MTN. I'm going to be revealing to you the top 10 code that you can use to get data at a very cheaper rate from MTN. So this is mostly from MTN users only, but if you are using other networks, I've also done similar video on how you can get data at a very cheaper rate from those networks. So you can also check those videos. I've done videos on how you can get the top 5 code that you can use to get data at a very cheaper rate from Airtel. So you can check that video. Then I also done video on the top 4 code that you can use to get data at a very cheaper rate from Glo. After watching this video, you can go and check those videos out later on the description of this video. So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through the step by step on how to get cheap data from MTN. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you tips on how you can upscale your income, how you can work from home for you to make passive income for yourself. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and drop your comment in this video. So let's dive into the training now. The first code that you can use to get data at a cheaper rate from MTN is *312*10, then hash. So let me dial it and see what it will give us. So with this code, it will be charged 20 Naira for the purchase of 75 MB, and it will be valid for 7 days. So it will last for 7 days. So we just say on 20 Naira, I can get 75 megabytes. So this is one of the code you can use to get data at a very cheaper rate. So let's proceed to our next code. Our number 2 code that can use to get data at cheaper rate is *312*86#. So with this code, you will be charged 20 Naira for the purchase of 75 MB plus another 75 MB, and it will last weekly. It's a weekly plan. With this one, I can get a data at a very cheaper rate, even cheaper than the first one that I just showed to you now. So let me just show you something, how much 1 gigabyte will cost if you are using this plan. Let me go to my calculator. 150 MB, that is, with 20 I can get 150 MB with that plan. So let's calculate times 7 times 7. So which is times 7 of 20 now times 7 is 140 Naira. So with 140 Naira, you can get 1 gigabyte of data if you are using this second code to buy data from MTN. So you can see that you can get data at a very cheaper rate with this code. So let's proceed to our next code. Our third code that you can use to get data at a very cheaper rate is *312*1*10#. So let's dial it and see how much we can get. So this is an hourly plan. So if you want to do something within an hour, you can use this plan. So you can get 2 gigabytes for 200 Naira, then 10 gigabytes for 1000 Naira. So that is for our number 3rd code. So let's proceed to the 4th code that you can use to get data at a very cheaper rate. So the 4th code is *312*87#. With this plan, you will be charged 15 Naira for the purchase of 200 MB plus another 250 MB, and it will last you for 14 days. So this is almost a half gigabyte, which is 450 MB. With 15 I can buy 450 MB if you are using this code to buy data from MTN. So let's proceed to our next code that you can use to buy data at a very cheaper rate, which is our 5th code, *312*7#. star 88 hash. So let's dial it and see how much we can get with this. So with this plan, you will be charged 200 Naira for this, for the purchase of 1 gigabyte plus 500 MB. So with 200 Naira you can buy 1.5 gigabytes, which is a very cheap plan if you compare it to the normal way you can buy data. So this is a very good and code that you can use to buy data from MTN. So our number 6 code is star 406 star 600 hash, star 460 star 600 hash. So let's dial it and see how much we can get with this plan. So with this plan you will pay 200 Naira and get 2 gigabytes to access content and tools for SME for 7 days. So this plan is for small business owner. So with 200 Naira you can get 2 gigabytes, which means 1 gigabyte will cost you just 100 Naira, but it's only for small business owners for you to access content and tools online. So this is our number 6 code. So let's proceed to our number 7 code that can use to get it at a very cheaper rate. Star 344 star 2 star 1 hash. This data plan are for select educational site / app only. So this is for educational sites, and if you normally visit educational site and app only, you can use this code to purchase data at a very cheaper rate that you can use for your learning on those educational sites and app. So the first one here is you get 350 MB for 50 Naira and it will last for 7 days. Then the second one you will get 250 MB for 25 Naira and it will last for 1 day. Then the third one is you will get 1.2 gigabytes at 150 and it will last you for 30 days. Then the last one is you will get 4 gigabytes for just 500 Naira. It will last you for 30 days. So if you normally visit educational sites or you use some apps a lot, you can use this code to get data that you can use for those educational sites and those apps. Our number 8 code is star 406 star 3 hash. So this is our number 8 code that you can use to get data at a cheaper rate. So let's dial it and see how much we can get with this. This is mostly for our night plan. So if you normally do things in the night, you can use this to get data at a very cheaper rate in the night. With 15 Naira you can get 500 MB, and you can do this 4 times within the night. It will carry you from 11 PM to 6 AM. So within this range you can use this data to browse in the night, and you can recharge up to 2 gigabytes, which is 200 Naira. So which means 1 gigabyte will cost you just 100 Naira if you are using this night plan to browse. Our night code that you can use to get it at a very cheaper rate is star 121 hash. It's going to bring you to this interface. So this code will give you access to different data plan and different offer. So the one I like most of the time is the number 6. So you dial 6. You can also check the other ones. They also give amazing data plan in the other one. So let's dial 6. So it's going to bring you to this interface again. If you dial 4, which is 30 days offer, you can see that with this one you can get with 6,000 you can get 39 gigabytes, and with 5,000 you can get 33 gigabytes. So let's calculate the 39 gigabytes to know how much 1 gigabyte costs with this plan, because this is one of my favorite plans that I normally use. So let me go to my calculator. We're going to be dividing 6,000 divided by 39, so which means 1 gigabyte will cost you 153.8 naira, so which is very good and is below so 1 gigabyte will cost you below 200 naira. So this is another code that you can use to get data at a very cheaper rate from MTN. Our last code is star 303 hash. So with this code, you can use this code to borrow data from MTN and also borrow megabytes from MTN. So currently now you can see yellow, you are qualified, but your airtime balance is high. You can borrow airtime or data when your balance is lower than 99.9. If your balance is below 99 naira, you can be able to borrow from them. Currently now I have more than that amount in this my line. That's why I cannot proceed more than this place. So you can use this code to borrow data and borrow airtime from MTN, in case maybe you want to do something and you run out of airtime or you run out of data and you don't have the fund to buy. You can use this code to borrow from MTN and you pay back later. So these are the 10 code that you can use to get data at a very cheaper rate from MTN. So if you got value from this video, make sure you like and drop a comment in this video. Also help me to share this video so that others will see this video. And if you are coming across my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification.